Hello everyone, in this video we will see how you can configure an Elastic IP. Okay, so just I will give you a context of Elastic IP, what it does. So Elastic IP is nothing but a static public IP which you can attach to an EC2 instance if your EC2 IP address gets changed when you stop it. So this is the usual behavior of the EC2 instances. When you go for here instance state and you will just stop this instance. Okay, so if I stop it, and if I again try to restart this instance, so make note of this IP. Okay, so when we will again try to start this instance, then we'll see the IP. Okay, then we will configure the Elastic IP. So this is the instance, it has been started. Next we will just start instance, and I will try to reload here and see now public IP has gone, so we will get some new public IP. So that's issue if you're having some domain name and all. So just reload it. We will see when the IP address gets assigned. Till now just pause the video. So now you can see we have got a different public IP, and if I go here and if I see, so you can see the difference between the two IPs. So to solve this, what you have to do, you have to go here, scroll down, and you have to go in Elastic IP, and then you have to just click on this allocate IP and create click allocate. Okay, so you have got one public IP 54.1.77. Okay, so this is the public IP we have. Now if we go in instances, and we will see from where we can attach. Okay, so I think we have to go here only Elastic IP, and here we can go for the associated Elastic IP address. We'll select an instance. So this test instance is running. So allocate this EIP Elastic IP address to be associated. You can just select or you can leave as it is. I will just associate here. And if I go in instances and if I try to reload, so now you can see the IP has been changed, right? So this is the new IP. Watch our Elastic IP is there. And if I click here, so you can see my new Elastic IP. So if I go and if I try to again stop the instance and restart it, so we should get the same IP address. So let's wait. Okay, now instance is stopped. I will just start the instance again. I'll just reload here. So on start we'll see the IP. Okay, okay, so here we have instances running and you can see this public IP, so it's the same one. Okay, so in this way you can use the Elastic IP and attach to your EC2 instances. So that's it guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.